Imagine if you could help heal your kidneys and reduce proteinuria with just a few natural nutrients. What if the key to better kidney health was already at your fingertips? Well, stay tuned as we uncover how some simple changes to diet could lead to a healthier you. But first, let's speak about what proteinuria actually is. Well, in layman's terms, proteinuria is the presence of abnormal levels of protein in your urine. A small amount is normal, but when protein levels become too high, it's a sign of damaged or stressed kidneys. It is not only a common symptom of kidney disease, but can also indicate other health issues like diabetes or high blood pressure. Proteinuria is a silent death. It shows no symptoms until the damage is done. If left untreated, it can lead to other serious problems. In today's video, we'll reveal the top 10 vitamins that could transform your kidney health faster than you can imagine. Each of these nutrients has a vital role in supporting kidney function and reducing the risk or impact of proteinuria. So, stick around till the end to find out how you can bring balance back to your life. Number 10. Vitamin C. Also known as L-ascorbic acid, vitamin C is probably best known for its skin-boosting and immune-strengthening properties. But its power goes beyond just that. Vitamin C is also a crucial nutrient for kidney health, especially when it comes to managing proteinuria. This water-soluble vitamin is a potent antioxidant that helps protect kidney cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. It also plays a role in collagen synthesis, which helps maintain the structural integrity of the kidneys and their ability to filter blood effectively. For people dealing with proteinuria, vitamin C can help reduce the amount of protein in urine, thus alleviating the strain on the kidneys. While you can take supplements to increase your intake, it's always best to opt for natural sources like fruits and veggies. Red peppers, kiwis, strawberries, and broccoli are all excellent sources of this vitamin. Number 9. Vitamin B6. Now, this vitamin is a game changer when it comes to kidney health. Vitamin B6, or pyridoxine, is an essential nutrient that plays a significant role in over 100 enzyme reactions involved in metabolism. So, how can it specifically help with proteinuria? Well, it aids in the metabolism of proteins and helps regulate homocysteine levels in the blood, which can be a major factor in kidney and cardiovascular issues. Additionally, vitamin B6 has anti-inflammatory properties that not only support kidney function, but also help prevent complications arising from chronic kidney conditions. Including foods like tuna, turkey, chicken, and sunflower seeds can ensure your daily intake of this vital nutrient. And guess what? The number 5 vitamin on our list is also a B vitamin, but with more incredible benefits for your kidneys. Number 8. Vitamin E. There are numerous possible benefits of vitamin E. From boosting immune health to reducing the risk of heart disease, this fat-soluble nutrient is a powerhouse for overall wellness. And when it comes to kidney health, it proves its worth in more ways than one. Vitamin E is a known antioxidant that fights off harmful free radicals that can damage cells, including those in your kidneys. It's particularly useful for individuals with chronic kidney disease who may experience increased levels of oxidative stress. Thanks to its antioxidant quality, vitamin E can reduce the blood pressure levels that contribute to kidney damage. Foods like almonds, pumpkin, and sunflower seeds are excellent sources of this vitamin. Stick to the recommended daily dose of 15 milligrams and you're good to go. Number 7. Vitamin B1. Thiamine, also known as vitamin B1, is an essential micronutrient that plays a crucial role in energy metabolism. For people with diabetic nephropathy, a form of kidney damage stemming from diabetes, vitamin B1 can be particularly beneficial. It helps convert carbohydrates into energy and supports a healthy nervous system, heart, and muscles. So where can you find it? Well, it's abundant in whole grains, pork, nuts, and seeds. If you're a man, Aim for 1.2 milligrams daily, while women need 1.1 milligrams. Just one thing to keep in mind: excessive intake can lead to imbalances that affect the heart and nervous system, so stick to the recommended amounts. Number 6. Astaxanthin. This carotenoid antioxidant is 6,000 times more potent than vitamin C. Yes, you heard that right. Astaxanthin has been shown to alleviate mitochondrial dysfunction and rescue kidney function in diseases such as diabetic kidney disease and bisphenol A-induced toxicity. This powerhouse nutrient can be found in seafood like salmon, trout, shrimp, lobster, and krill. But as with any vitamin on our list, moderation is key. Don't overdo it with astaxanthin, and always stick to the recommended daily dose to avoid any adverse effects. Number 5. Vitamin B9. Remember when we said the B vitamin that's even more beneficial for your kidneys than B6? Well, that's vitamin B9. Folic acid, also known as vitamin B9, is like the secret behind a healthy and happy kidney. It works silently, but its impact is huge. It helps repair and maintain cells in the kidneys, making sure they're functioning at their best. And for those with kidney issues, that's worth more than gold. Aside from its cell-repairing powers, folic acid also helps prevent hyperhomocystinemia, a condition that can lead to heart problems in people with kidney disease. It can also help with anemia by supporting the production of red blood cells. You can boost your intake of this kidney superhero by snacking on legumes, citrus fruits, fortified cereals, and yummy greens like spinach and kale. Just aim for 400 milligrams a day and make sure to balance your intake if using supplements. Number 4. Omega-3 fatty acids. These powerful, healthy fats are vital for survival, but our bodies can't produce them, so we need to get them from food sources. Omega-3 fatty acids play a key role in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are major contributors to kidney disease. They help maintain the health of cell membranes, support heart health, and can improve lipid profiles, which is particularly important for kidney health as it reduces the risk of developing cardiovascular diseases that often accompany kidney issues. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of omega-3s, as well as plant-based options like flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. According to the National Institutes of Health, omega-3 fatty acid supplementation may also reduce the risk of proteinuria in some conditions. Number 3. Vitamin B12. Now let's talk about vitamin B12, the unsung hero of kidney health. This vitamin is essential for the proper functioning and development of various body systems, especially in individuals with kidney disease. Vitamin B12 helps with the production of DNA and red blood cells, preventing anemia, a common issue in those with chronic kidney disease that can cause fatigue and weakness. You can get your daily dose of B12 from dairy products, eggs, meat, or fortified foods if you're on a vegan diet. The general recommendation for adults is about 2.4 milligrams per day, but be sure to monitor your intake if you have kidney disease, as it can affect B12 absorption. Number 2. Probiotics. A healthy gut means a healthy kidney. That's the motto for this vitamin-packed nutrient. Probiotics are live microorganisms that help maintain a balance of good bacteria in the gut, which is crucial for overall health and immune function. Studies have shown that probiotics can reduce inflammation, improve digestive health, and lower blood pressure, all of which can benefit individuals with kidney disease. You can get your daily dose of probiotics from fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sourdough bread. If you're not a fan of these foods or have dietary restrictions, consider taking supplements to reap the benefits. But as always, consult with your doctor first, because too much of a good thing can have adverse effects. Number 1. Vitamin D. Finally, the supervitamin that tops our list is none other than vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. This essential nutrient plays a vital role in maintaining bone health, promoting calcium absorption, and regulating blood pressure. But it's not just good for your bones. Vitamin D has also been linked to reducing inflammation and improving immune function. For individuals with kidney disease, maintaining adequate levels of vitamin D is crucial, as the kidneys play a significant role in converting it into its active form. The best source of vitamin D is natural sunlight, but you can also get it from fatty fish like salmon, fortified dairy products, or plant-based milk. The recommended daily intake for adults is about 600 IU, but those with kidney disease may require higher doses under medical supervision. It's essential to consult with your doctor before taking any supplements, as oversupplementation can lead to harmful calcium buildup in the heart and kidneys. And there you have it, the top 10 vitamins that can help heal your kidney health and reduce proteinuria. Each vitamin plays an essential role in maintaining overall health and can have a significant impact on your kidney function. Incorporating these vitamins into your diet, along with a healthy lifestyle, regular exercise, and proper hydration, can provide you with the best defense against kidney disease. And as we always say, before you start any new supplements or make major changes to your diet, consult with your doctor first. With a little bit of effort and the right nutrients, you can bring the balance back to life. And if you're looking for more healthy and refreshing ways to protect your kidneys, be sure to check out our video on Top 12 Best Drinks for Kidney Health. Until next time, stay active, eat healthy, and take care of your kidneys.